RESIST – Research on Individual Antisocial Trajectories. Antisocial behavior violates the rights or well-being of others and often goes against established norms. In the RESIST project, we study antisocial behavior with two different approaches. A group-based approach, based on diagnostic clinical interviews, allows us to examine the general developmental patterns, while an individual differences approach allows us to better understand differential outcomes in antisocial behavior. RESIST is a unique longitudinal cohort study that combines hormone data, neuroimaging, behavioral experiments, clinical interviews, and questionnaires. Our current focus within this project lies on early adulthood, ages 18 to 30, since this period in life is a potential turning point for the development of antisocial behavior, due to social changes and an increased brain maturation. However, the design is unique because participants were included in the study in childhood, since they all committed a criminal offense before the age of 12. The study consisted of 5 waves. During each time point, we tracked participants' levels of antisocial behavior, so we could determine who persisted or desisted from antisocial behavior. We collected brain data around the ages of 18 and 26. At each wave, we collected data on psychopathology through diagnostic interviews and questionnaires. These were rich assessments that allowed us to profile participants over time. The last measurement wave, which was completed when participants were young adults, included several functional MRI tasks that gave insight into specific mechanisms related to how people think about and respond to social information about self and others, as well as the associated neurocorrelates, a social evaluation and aggression regulation task, a self-concept task, and a vicarious incentive learning task. In our project, we studied 3 groups. We compared young adults with an early onset of antisocial behavior who persisted or desisted from this trajectory. To examine whether their outcomes differed from typically developing young adults, we also recruited a control group during the 5th wave. This control group completed the same task and measures. Given the richness of the RESIST data, I hope that our study can help resolve several of the burning questions related to the development of antisocial behavior. For example, how can we further characterize antisocial behavior in early adulthood? Why do so many people with antisocial behavior show comorbidities, such as internalizing problems and substance abuse? And are antisocial behaviors and psychopathic traits always maladaptive in social settings? Of course, we'd love to share the results with you. Interested in collaborating on the RESIST projects or using the data? Please reach out to us. You can find the link to the metadata file describing all our measures here. This study was performed with a team of PhD students, postdocs, and collaborators.